Welcome my dear students in your English class. With the help of this video, we will discuss about next section from our text, and that is section number 4, genre novel. And the title of the topic is 4.1 History of Novel. Dear students, it's very important topic from our syllabus, and there will be compulsory objective activities based on this topic in your exams. So let's see what is the history of novel through this video. की या व्हिडिओच्या माध्यमातून आपण कादंबरी म्हणजे काय, कादंबरीची वैशिष्ट्ये आणि कादंबरी लिखाणाचा इतिहास जाणून घेणार आहोत. So get ready for the further discussion of this topic. Dear students, you know that literature, it is divided into different types such as prose, poetry, drama and novel. In your 11th standard, we already discussed history and origin of drama in detail. So this year, we will focus on novel thoroughly. So students, now let us focus on history and origin of novel in detail. Whenever we have to discuss about the novel, we must consider 18th century because this century has gifted English literature two entirely new forms which are without any stresses in the ancient classical heritage. की 18व्या शतकामध्ये दोन महत्त्वाच्या साहित्य प्रकारांचा शोध लागला ज्यांचा पूर्वी कधीही वापर केला गेला नव्हता. What are these two different forms of literature gifted by or originated in 18th century? The first one is called the periodical essay and the second one is novel. So students, just keep in mind, novel is originated in 18th century. Actually, both of these forms, especially novel, it caught the spirit of the 18th century as the age of intellectual, sentimental and realistic plan, and tried to instruct the readers which would help them to a more purposeful and virtuous life. की 18व्या शतकामध्ये कादंबरी या साहित्य प्रकाराचा उगम झाला आणि त्याच्या माध्यमातून वाचकांना त्यांच्या आयुष्याविषयी प्रोत्साहित करण्याला सुरुवात झाली. And so because of this, since the time of its origin, novel has been gaining popularity and growing gradually. की अशा प्रकारे नॉवेल म्हणजेच कादंबरी हा साहित्य प्रकार लोकप्रिय होण्यास सुरुवात झाली. So students, just keep in mind, novel is very important literary genre. Now students, let us see what is the meaning of the word novel. A novel is a relatively long narrative fiction which describes intimate human experiences, normally in a prose form. की कादंबरी हा एक महत्त्वाचा साहित्य प्रकार असून तो गद्य प्रकारामध्ये लिहिला जातो. The present English word novel is derived from the Italian word novella and the meaning of this word is something new. की खरे पाहता इंग्रजी शब्द नॉवेल याचा उगम इटालियन भाषेतील नॉव्हेला या शब्दापासून झालेला आहे आणि याचा अर्थ काहीतरी नवीन असा होतो. A novel narrates a story, embellishing, it means more attractive by the addition of features. Features within it with more details of time, place, nature, people and their minds, their gestures and activities. की नॉव्हेल म्हणजे एक प्रकारचे कथानक असून त्या कथानकाच्या माध्यमातून समाज, सामाजिक प्रश्न, समाजातील व्यक्ती तसेच त्यांचे विविध अनुभव व त्यांच्या विविध कृती इत्यादी गोष्टींवरती प्रकाश टाकला जातो. The novel creates a picture of the society of that time. So what was the life of people? Those realities, they were explained in the novel. की कादंबरीद्वारे समाजाचे वास्तव चित्र स्पष्ट केले जाते. Novel makes our life easier to understand as compared with drama and poetry. नाटक व कवितांपेक्षा कादंबरी ही समजायला खूप सोपी वाटते. You can learn many things from different novels. Because of all these things, in modern era, novel became very popular and an important literary genre in modern days. कादंबरीमधून आपल्याला विविध गोष्टींचे ज्ञान मिळते आणि त्याचा उपयोग आपणाला आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये देखील होतो आणि त्यामुळेच आधुनिक काळात कादंबरीला लोकप्रियता प्राप्त झाली आहे. So students, just keep in mind, novel, it's a long narrative fiction. The word novel, it is originated from Italian word novella. It depicts or creates the picture of the society. It's very easy to understand, and that's why, because of all these features, novel become an important as well as popular literary form. Now, my dear students, let us discuss about the features or characteristics of the novel. की आता आपण कादंबरीची काही वैशिष्ट्ये जाणून घेऊयात. The novel as a literary genre has a history of about 2000 years. की कादंबरी ह्या साहित्य प्रकाराला 2000 वर्षांचा इतिहास लाभलेला आहे. Because among the early precursors, means those forerunner or ancestors of novel, according to them, novel is a collection of tales and it was known as Greek romances dating from the 2nd to 6th century may top the list. की प्राचीन काळी म्हणजेच 2ऱ्या ते 6व्या शतकापासून कथासंग्रहांना ग्रीक रोमान्सेस असं म्हटलं जात होते आणि त्या कथांचा हजारो वर्ष इतर लेखनावरती देखील प्रभाव पडला होता. स्टुडंट्स, कीप इन माइंड, Greek romances, it means 5 ancient Greek novels with a story involving knights, heroes, adventures, their quest, etc. की ग्रीक रोमान्सेसमधील कथा ह्या शूरवीर लोक, नायक लोक, त्यानंतर त्यांची साहसी वर्णने व त्यांनी लावलेले विविध शोध यांवर आधारित होता. Students, keep in mind that novel is having the history of 2000 years and within ancient time they were known as Greek romances. Now let's focus on the next features. Novel deals with imaginative and delightful stories of ideal love and marvelous adventures. The word marvelous, it means exciting, surprising and wonderful things. की नॉवेलमध्ये काल्पनिक कथा, आनंददायी व आदर्श प्रेमकथा तसेच विविध विस्मयकारक व साहसी वर्णने यांचा समावेश केला जातो. Novel affected the creative writing for the next 1000 years because the stories included in the novel, they were depicted in such a creative manner that nobody can challenge this genre of literature in the future. की कादंबरीतील विविध कथा ह्या अत्यंत कल्पकतेने वर्णन केलेल्या असतात आणि त्यामुळे भविष्यामध्ये कोणताही साहित्य प्रकार त्याला आव्हान देऊ शकत नाही. Though novel in the modern era usually makes use of a literary prose, the earlier threads of this genre can be found in Virgil's Eclogues or Malory's Morte d'Arthur or Geoffrey Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales. की आधुनिक युगामध्ये कादंबरी हा गद्य साहित्य प्रकारामध्ये लिहिला जात असला तरी त्याचा उगम हा पूर्वीच्या काही लेखकांच्या काव्यांमधून स्पष्ट होता. आणि या लेखकांमध्ये व्हर्जिल, मॅलरी, जॉफ्री चॉसर यांचा उल्लेख अतिशय महत्त्वाचा आहे. Students, now we will focus on these ancient writers and their work with the help of the next slides. But here you can see the sculpture of Virgil on your screen. Virgil, a very famous former writer. की येथे स्क्रीनवरती तुम्हाला व्हर्जिलचे शिल्प पाहायला मिळत आहे. नाऊ लेट्स सी मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑफ व्हर्जिल. की व्हर्जिल विषयी आपण आणखी थोडी काही माहिती जाणून घेऊयात. डिअर स्टुडंट्स, व्हर्जिल इज ए फेमस फॉर हिज इक्लॉग्स. दे वर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द बुकॉलिक्स, and it is the first of the three major works of the Latin poet Virgil. And it's a pastoral poem, which means a poem focusing on life of shepherds. की व्हर्जिल हे लॅटिन भाषिक सुप्रसिद्ध कवी असून त्यांची इक्लॉग्स ही कविता लोकप्रिय आहे. ह्या कवितेलाच पॅस्टरल पोएम म्हणजेच मेंढपाळांच्या जीवनाचे वर्णन करणारी कविता असंही म्हणतात. स्टुडंट्स, हिअर यू कॅन सी द पिक्चर ऑफ फ्रंट पेज ऑफ इक्लॉग्स रिटन बाय or composed by Virgil, as well as you can see the image of shepherds also. It's also considered as an ancient type of novel. So just keep in mind whatever we discussed regarding Virgil. Then another famous ancient writer is Malory, who had written Morte d'Arthur. Actually, it's a tale of King Arthur. थॉमस मॅलरी यांचे मार्टे डी आर्थर हे पुस्तक म्हणजेच राजा आर्थर यांची कथा आहे. इट बिगिन्स विथ द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द नाइट्स ऑफ द राउंड टेबल अँड फॉलोज द राईज ऑफ द किंग आर्थर अँड हिज ट्रॅजिक फॉल. की या कथेमध्ये राजा आर्थर यांचा जीवनपट, त्यांचे विविध योद्धे आणि राजा आर्थर यांचा शोकांतिक अंत वर्णन केला गेला आहे. सो स्टुडंट्स, जस्ट कीप इन माइंड मॉर्टे डी आर्थर रिटन बाय थॉमस मॅलरी. Then our next important writer is Geoffrey Chaucer. He was born in 1340s and died in 1400. He was an English poet and author. He was widely considered the greatest English poet of the Middle Ages, and he is best known for the Canterbury Tales. की जॉफ्री चॉसर हे मध्ययुगीन इंग्रजी साहित्यातील सुप्रसिद्ध कवी व लेखक असून त्यांची द कॅन्टरबरी टेल्स ही अत्यंत लोकप्रिय कविता आहे. नाउ माय डियर स्टुडंट्स, this person, Chaucer, he has been called the father of English literature, or alternatively the father of English poetry. So just keep in mind about the information regarding Geoffrey Chaucer and his book The Canterbury Tales, which is also considered as a type of novel. Now my dear students, let's focus on the history of novel in detail. Students, actually Murasaki Shikibu's Tale of Genji, written in 1010, has been described as the world's first novel. Shikibu was a woman novelist from Japan. So here you can see the image of the cover page of Tale of Genji. की जपानमधील प्रसिद्ध स्त्री लेखिका मुरासाकी शिकिबू यांनी लिहिलेले टेल ऑफ गेंची हे जे काही पुस्तक आहे, ह्या पुस्तकाला जगातील प्रथम कादंबरीचा मान मिळतो. सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड द टेल ऑफ गेंची रिटन बाय मुरासाकी शिकिबू and she was from Japan. Then the European novel is often said to begin with Don Quixote by Spanish writer Miguel de Cervantes, which was published in 2 parts between 1605 and 1615. की युरोपमध्ये कादंबरी लिखाणाला स्पॅनिश लेखक म्युगल डे सर्वांटस यांच्या डॉन क्विझोटी ह्या पुस्तकाद्वारे झाली असे मानतात. स्टुडंट्स, हिअर यू कॅन सी द कव्हर पेज ऑफ दॅट बुक ऑल्सो. This book is considered to be the first modern novel. It was first written in Spanish and soon afterwards was translated into English. की आधुनिक युगातील पहिलं नॉवेल म्हणून या पुस्तकाला मान दिला जातो. खरे पाहता हे पुस्तक सुरुवातीला स्पॅनिश भाषेमध्ये लिहिले गेले होते आणि नंतर त्याचं इंग्रजीमध्ये भाषांतर देखील करण्यात आलेलं आहे. सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड डॉन क्विझोटी रिटन बाय स्पॅनिश रायटर म्युगल डी सर्वांटस. In the 18th century, the appearance of newspaper and magazines, they attracted a large number of readers from the middle class also. These new readers, they had little interest in romances and tragedies, which were appreciated by the upper class. The need for a new type of literature arose in the 18th century. की 18व्या शतकामध्ये औद्योगिक क्रांती आणि त्यानंतर प्रिंटिंगमधील विविध सुधारणांमुळे तसेच मध्यम वर्गाच्या वाचनाच्या विशिष्ट आवडींमुळे एका नवीन साहित्य प्रकाराच्या निर्मितीची गरज निर्माण झाली आणि तो साहित्य प्रकार म्हणजेच कादंबरी होय. सो जस्ट कीप इन माइंड novel, it is originated in 18th century and after that it became very popular literary genre. Students, here you can see different images focusing on the industrialization, then different printing equipments, different newspaper such as the New York Times, the Delhi Current, and you can also see the front page of one magazine during 18th century. So just keep in mind whatever we discussed regarding the origin and history of novel. की आतापर्यंत आपण कादंबरीविषयी जे काही डिस्कस केलेलं आहे ते व्यवस्थितपणे लक्षात ठेवा. There will be objective activities based on all these topics. So thank you, my dear friends. Keep watching and keep your learning.